Hey everybody, welcome back to this week's Ford Ranger video. Well, once again, LASFIT has come through. When I did my marker light conversion a couple weeks ago, they saw that I had complained about my cheapy LED eBay special fog lights, and they've said that was never going to do. So they sent me a set of their LEDs, which are also switchback. In other words, once you install these, you can switch from white light to amber light, and that's awesome because I actually like the look of both, but I have ambers in mine right now. So let me go ahead and open this box. Take a look. Their stuff is always super high quality, very good quality with this. Yeah, very nice. Much better than the crap that I'm about to remove. Well, I wouldn't say it's crap. It was an okay light when I had it, but one of them is starting to flicker, so, and they're not that old. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and go around to the truck, and this is gonna be a super quick process, so stay tuned. All right, here I am at the truck, and you can see what's happening. This driver's side one is flickering. It doesn't always do it, but it shouldn't be doing that, that's for sure. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. To remove these, you don't even need any tools, just reach behind there and pull them out. I'll do a side-by-side comparison. All right, to remove them on this 2002 Ford Ranger and probably several other years, just reach back here. Here's the fog light. Just give it a gentle twist and pull it out. Then you can go ahead and unplug it, which I'll do. Put them side by side. Already got the old one here next to the new one. The new one's definitely quite a bit larger. And I'm not sure how this is gonna work, if I'm gonna need to modify this or not. But one thing I realized is this one does not look like it's weatherproof, which is gonna be a problem because this is in the wheelhouse and it's gonna get lots of water. So I'm gonna have to figure something out as far as a weatherproof cover for this, but I guess I'll do that down the road. These are definitely waterproof, not much to these. So let me see if it'll install without modification. All right, I got the driver's side in, and I should note that this is polarity sensitive, but the plug itself, I'll show you the old one here. The plug itself is exactly the same. So there we go. So if it doesn't work one way, just turn it around and it should work the other way. No flicker on that one. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and take care of the passenger side, and then I'll show you how these work. Got them both in. They look great. Unfortunately, my lenses don't look so great. They're original. They're rather stone pitted, but I guess I can always replace those down the road. So the true test will be in a couple hours once it gets dark. So for me, it'll be a couple hours. For you, it'll be just another minute. Stay tuned. All right, to conclude this video, these things are pretty awesome. I'm out here, it's a full moon. Sun's just gone down. See the hillsides of California. These are on the white function. As you can see, they provide tons of light. Turn them off, turn them back on, and now they're amber for fog. Off again, on again, now they're white for driving. These things are definitely pretty cool. I'm just toggling the factory switch, back to amber. I'll get a couple shots of these from outside. And if you're interested in purchasing these lights, there's a link in the description, and LASFIT has been kind enough to provide a coupon code. So please make sure you take advantage of that. Back to white. I don't think it's capturing it on camera, but the output of these is really good. These along with the LASFIT headlights. So I would like to thank them once again for sending these. Again, the link's in the description. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And feel free to follow them on Instagram, and they're at LASFIT Lighting, I believe. LASFIT Auto Lighting. I will see if I can put the link in there. Anyway, as always, we'll catch you on the flip side.